So I bought more than that, but I've got 5 of these Mule Pros. Got another one up the road that I bought from Ritchie Bros Auctions, and then arranged shipping and got them shipped to me with individual haulers. I also bought the skid steer through Ritchie Bros. So I might do a video a little bit later on how to go about getting set up with the auctions and buying and shipping all this. But gonna be selling a few of these and just keeping one for me. If you want to keep up with all this, subscribe. Thanks.